We're so pleased to have been able to officially launch Operation Snap today. It's an initiative between Go Safe Cymru and the 4 Welsh police forces, and it's a way of us dealing with media footage to report dangerous driving and motoring offences for the public. We're ever so grateful for everyone who took part today, and we were joined by Cycling UK, and they mentioned how important it is for cyclists to have vehicles drive wide enough past them, and also the British Horse Society, and likewise it's about protecting the vulnerable road users in Wales. We've heard from real-life victims who have been subject to losing a loved one on the roads in Wales, and that's what it's all about. It's a casualty reduction initiative. What we would hope for the public to take away is that they need to be driving safely on the roads in Wales and not be taking risks with the lives of others. Very, very grateful also to the work of South Wales Police and their officers in assisting with the launch and developing the web form with us, so that we've got a secure way to receive footage from the public. And also thank you to the family liaison officers and the collision investigation unit who just told us how impactful it is, not just on the victims and their families, but also on the police officers who every day have to see the effects on collisions on the road in Wales. We really hope that this can make a difference and reduce road deaths on the roads in Wales.